How to make portfolio in Behance. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your portfolio in Behance. Behance is an amazing platform for artists and creators, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your portfolio on Behance. So let's get started. Now what you have to do is come to behance.net and you will come to this amazing platform. Now if you have not signed up already, what you will have to do is simply sign up. The sign up process is completely easy. All you have to do is just add your email address and set up a reasonable password. So once you have done that, you will land on this page on dashboard of Behance. Now Behance actually asks you to select any categories. If you are a graphic designer, a photographer, or maybe you are in music or sound niche, you will simply select that and it will have your feed customized. Mine is kind of like a mix of graphic designing and photography, fashion as well. You can actually select up to 4 or 5 niches that you work in. So once you have done that, this is what your Behance will look like. There are different options for you. For example, For You page. On For You page, you will see all of these amazing different artists, these portfolios that they have actually created. You will see these amazing portfolios that different artists have created, and we will be creating one ourselves. After that, there is a discover page where you can actually discover different things, different gigs, maybe jobs, or whatever you are actually looking for. After that, live stream and jobs. So to create a portfolio, what you have to do is you will have to come to this icon right here. Pretty simple looking icon. Once you have created your profile, you will see it. So when you click on that, this is what my profile looks like. This is completely new profile that you will be getting after you sign up. So what we can do is we can actually add our customized profile. All I have to do is upload a avatar. So to add a profile picture, all I have to do is click on upload avatar, and when I click on this, it will open up my PC or whatever you are using. So you can just upload right here whatever you have created. If you have a logo or any picture of yourself you want to add, you will simply add your profile picture. If you want to add a banner, you will simply add it right here. After that, now to create a project, you will see the option right here. It's a pretty big button that you will see. It's a plus icon and also says create a project, and here we will be creating our project. What you have to do is click on create project, and when we click on create project, so you will land on this canvas where we will be working. There are a lot of options. Let me show you around real quick. So what happens is image option, where I can add image. This will be the thumbnail or the cover picture for my project. Here I can actually add the text I want to. Then photo grid, if I want to add multiple photos, I can just simply add a photo grid. If I want to add a video or audio, I can simply add it from here. Then embed, if I want to embed any file or any document, I can do that as well. This is for the coding, where you actually find different codes. If you have copied a code, you will add it right here. So this option is created by Behance, where you can actually get your previous work from Lightroom. After that, if you want to add an NFT, you can do that from here, prototype and 3D. So these are the different project types that I can add different elements to my project. After that, again, same elements are given right here: image, text, photo grid, audio, video, NFT, 3D, prototype and Lightroom. Edit project, there is a style option and settings. Of course, if I click on style, this basically shows the background color. If I want to change it, let's change it to dark maybe. So you will see the background color right here, and after that I can just simply click on save. If I want to change the content spacing, I can do that from here. So the background color is black, it looks good. I'm gonna keep it save that way. So now my background is set. So once you have that, you can just simply add the image right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add one of my designs. So I have added this image. This is a design that I created, and this was actually created on Canva. So once I have that, you will see this will be the image. Now, if I want to add different tags, I will simply click on add tags, and I can add up to 10 keywords. Now, this is where you have to have some information about the image. So you have to add different keywords. You can do keyword research as well for Behance, and you can check out that what words are actually trending. This will be good for your SEO. So you can just add up to 10 keywords right here. If you want to add alt text, these both things actually work for the SEO of your project. This is pretty good. So after that, you can see if I want to add text, I will simply click on text, and it will allow me to add text right here. So I can just simply add text. So you can see right here that I have added the text right here. After that, if I want to add any image, if I want to do much with it, I can do it. Simply, we can actually edit the text as well. I can highlight the text. If I want to change the font for the text, I can do that as well. After that, I think this one looks cool. Then there are different options that I can actually add. I can add image, I can add text, I can add the grid, embed Lightroom, and other stuff as well. So the background color is black, right? Let's change it, and I'm gonna actually make it similar. So you can see right here that I'm going to select this color and click on save, and it is saved right here. So I have added the text right here, and then I actually changed the background color as well to kind of match my image. So once I have done that, I will simply click on continue, and once I do that, now I have to add my project title name. So you're gonna add your project title. I have added mine. After that, you have to select the 10 tags, whatever tags you want to. You will simply select them. I have selected these. After that, you will see tools used. If you want to add any tools, for example, any software or something like that, I'm gonna actually add Canva because I worked on that. After that, how would you categorize this project? Now I have selected it is as a graphic designing and product design and advertising. After that, Behance visibility, if you want it to be visible to everyone, or private. So for now, I'm going to keep it private. After that, there is a copyright that is reserved to me. Then if you will check if it's an adult content or not, it's not, so I'm going to leave it like this. After that, all I have to do is just click on publish, and once I do that, now my project is being published, and you can see right here that it has been published. So if I go to my profile right here, now I will be able to see it. So you can see right here that this is what my project looks like. You can see the title right here. The likes will be shown right here, and if I want to add a comment, anybody wants to add any comment, they will add it right here. And after that, you can see that the tools I use are given right here that I selected, and the different category are given here, and the tags will be shown right here. So this is how you simply create your any project on Behance, and you can create as many projects as you want to, and this will build your portfolio in Behance. And once your portfolio is up and running, people will actually discover you, and you will be able to then get jobs through Behance as a graphic designer or as an artist, and then you can just sell your art and make money online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create your amazing portfolio in Behance. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.